morning, welcome to day 5 of my Vlogmas series. Today we'll make some nice cozy breakfast, and later on I need to wrap up some presents because I'm going to a birthday party. The weather is not that nice today, it's very rainy, but it's not that cold, it's around 12 degrees. Let's start with the breakfast. I want to make some nice omelette with dill and then some kefir with fruits. We're gonna heat up the pan. So on stainless steel pan, you let it heat and then you do the test with the water. I will show you. I'll add a little bit of salt. So it's evaporating, so it's not ready yet. So it creates the bubbles, which means it's ready. I'm gonna turn it down from 6 to 5. I'm gonna add some ghee. Make sure like it's covering the whole surface. And now you pour the mixture. I have a bowl with the Little Mermaid. Let's see. See, it's not sticking at all. Amazing. So yeah, that's how you do it. It's not difficult to use the stainless steel pan. And that's it. I'm gonna turn it off now and let it rest. I'm gonna add the lid on to keep it warm while I make the bowl of kefir. Like this. Now I'm gonna add some of the blackberries that I picked up in the summer. Some of this mix. I'm gonna add some cocoa nibs. Bee pollen. This is like immunity boost breakfast. And some hemp seeds. Okay. I also have some kiwi, so I'll add this one too. This is a golden kiwi, so the skin is not as rough as the normal kiwi, so you can eat it with the skin. The skin is very healthy and very good for digestion. I'm gonna add this. have some avocado. Perfect. Salt, some olive oil. I'll add a bit of lettuce. Okay, some sprouts. Some flaxseed oil. Oops, I put a bit too much. Squeezing a little bit of lemon. I will also add some walnuts. That's how I'm gonna break the walnut, with this. So I'm gonna add the walnuts here. And now let's add the omelette. It's nice and warm because I covered it with the lid. Let's try it. So nice. You can also add cheese to this omelette. Now let's try the kefir bowl. Very good. You can also add some banana to it, or any fruits you have. After breakfast, it's time for coffee, so we're gonna have the one from the packed adventkalender. Ta-dam! So day 5. Let's see. Hints of black currant and dark chocolate. Okay, let's let it brew. While we are waiting for the coffee to brew, let's open the other advent calendar. Okay, they're in order. So, day 5. Let's see what it is. Wow. I didn't even know it looks like this. A very beautiful flower. One of the strongest flavors available in nature is anise. It is a southern European and Mediterranean herb with a flavor that reminds you of licorice. Wow, yeah, I didn't know the flower looks like this. So let's hang it with the rest on the thread, advent calendar thread. Let's try the coffee. strong flavor, quite bitter taste. Perfect flavor if you want strong coffee.